Hi, I'm Rhonda Porter, Mortgage Advisor in the greater Seattle area. I have been providing you with weekly mortgage updates off and on for many years, and I decided that it'd be a good idea to combine elements of my nationally recognized blog, The Mortgage Porter, with these weekly updates. So I hope you don't mind the new look, and if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to talk about, please reach out to me, and be sure to check out my blog, The Mortgage Porter, and subscribe. On Friday at Jackson Hole, Fed Chair Powell hinted that we could see a reduction rate at the upcoming meeting in September, stating that shifting balance of risk may warrant adjusting our policy stance. Mortgage-backed securities improved slightly on Friday following this news. Optimal Blue shows that mortgage rates as of last Friday, August 22nd, averaged about 6.570%, which was essentially the same rate that I shared with you on last Friday's post. Please remember this Optimal Blue index is an average from about 35% of mortgage transactions, which are lenders who use Optimal Blue to lock in their interest rates. And we don't know when rates are being locked, how many points are being used, or what a person's credit scores are, or how much equity is in a home, or all the different variables that go into pricing out an interest rate. So this is just an average, and it is from last Friday. So if you'd like to have a rate quote based on your personal financial scenario, please reach out to me. I'm happy to provide that for you. No hassle. We have housing data this week with PCE on Friday, the Fed's favorite measure of inflation. September 17th is when we will have the next Fed rate announcement. Now, when the Fed makes changes to interest rates, they are adjusting the Fed funds rate, which is the short-term overnight rate banks use to lend to one another. This rate does not directly control mortgage rates, so it's not like rates will all of a sudden drop a quarter point if they move the Fed funds a quarter point. Their actions, though, and what the Fed has to say does impact the direction of mortgage interest rates. And it's just after 12 noon in Seattle as I prepare this for you, and mortgage-backed securities are pretty flat. You can see that bump in improvement to rates with that green candlestick. That is on Friday from Fed Chair Powell's comments from Jackson Hole, which is a nice improvement on that date. The Dow Jones is down about 293 to 45,338. What do you do when you have a home that you currently have? It's got equity, but you're ready to buy your next home, and you're kind of stuck in a spot. There are programs for that, and we have a bridge loan, and our bridge loan is pretty special. Unlike other bridge loans where the loan is attached to the departing residence, and it's basically a second mortgage, where you have to factor in the existing first mortgage payment and possibly a bridge loan payment too. Our bridge loan pays off that first mortgage, and that you have no payments due on that loan for 12 months. Interest does accrue, but it does allow you to qualify for more home by having a reduced debt to income ratio, since we're not factoring in a mortgage payment on your old home. So it's a great way to be able to make a move into your next home before you sell your current home. So if you'd like more information on our bridge loan, please let me know. I'm happy to provide that for you. And if you're thinking about buying, selling, refinancing, remodeling your home, or maybe even a reverse mortgage or restructuring debt, I'm happy to help you, even if it's months away. We can work on a budget, review your credit. I'm here to help you or anyone that you know with your mortgage needs. So take care, and I hope to talk with you soon. Bye-bye.